Hi, welcome to Sariba Online Multilist Database Service. In this video, we will see how to add new properties to the listing. That is how to add new properties to the MLS system. In this video, what you see here is a dashboard. If you click on the listing menu, there will be two drop-down options, manage listing and add listing. You've got to click on the second option, add listing, if you want to add new properties to the MLS system. So while clicking on this, it will take you to a new page, add listing page. Here you can make selection for property type and listing type. Just select the property type you want to add in the list and add the listing type. Click on the listing type and click it. You can find that as soon as you change any information here by clicking on them, this description will change accordingly, which will allow you to check for the right property and right listing type and property type, and then click on save and exit. When you click on it, you'll come to this page, which is a more information add listing page, where you can add more information for your property. The first section is agent information, second is property information, third is multi-unit. Since you have made the selection for multi-unit, additional information, then property details, then status information, location information, and owner information. You will find that the moment you select property type and listing type and come to this page, that selection has been already displayed here automatically on this page. If you change this selection to residential and then condominium, click OK, and condominium, select condominium and click OK, you will find that the moment you change the selection, the additional information options will change accordingly. For example, here you find the strata number and unit number, the income and costings, other information, option for other information. Let us go back to multi-unit and the listing type which we have selected for multi-unit. You will find that the multi-unit section appears separately for your use for the multi-unit. So this sections will also change according to your property type and listing type, and then you can add the information as you want. So now let us find how to add more information. On agent information, you will find list company and primary agent are automatically selected. You can select the secondary company. You can select the agent by just clicking on the name and clicking on this button. This agent will be selected. To deselect, you got to select here and then click again. This will be deselected. So you can make multiple selection. You can just click them and once again click them. You can make multiple selection. You can change the name in the secondary company. Let us see. You can select a secondary company. You should know that all the asterisk signed field are mandatory here. And for the block number and parcel number, for the block number, if the block number is being registered with the map, the area code will be displayed automatically. So which means if the block number is registered with the system, this will appear automatically, the location and the area, which then will be remain unchangeable. So let us add the block number. Let us add the parcel number. The property type and listing type has been selected. Give a property name. Select the currency and just type down the list price. Select the location. When you select the location, you will find that the latitude and longitude in the location information is displayed automatically. Let us change this and see what happens. For example, the address is displayed automatically. If you change the location, you will see that the latitude and longitude has changed. So that is an automatic selection. And select the view. You can select multiple views by clicking on them and selecting multiple views. And on the next multi-unit, you can select the number of beds, baths, and enter the square feet here. You can enter other information, add additional information, add details, add any details that you want to add to the property by selecting the drop down arrows. You can make changes to the commission, and you can just click here to view sample description for them, for the property. Or you can also just type down few description that you want to. And you can add owner's information to owner's information. This is only for your purpose. This owner's information does not display anywhere, which means this is encrypted and it appears only on the add listing and edit listing pages. So this is how you add a property by going to the listing, then add listing, first add listing page, coming to the second listing page, and then clicking on save and exit. In case you save and send to broker, here it is save and send to broker. You can save and keep editing if you want to add more information and you want to keep it for the time being and not send to broker. You can just click here save and keep editing. You can save and send to broker. Once you send to broker, the broker approves the property, then an email is sent to Sariba, then Sariba approves the property. So this is how the sequence is. If at all you have not entered anything to the mandatory field, that will show you when you click on save and send to broker. For example, the area is not filled, so we enter the area code and again click on save and send to broker. Now this information will be sent to broker and added to your dashboard as well as your listing page. So on your manage listings page, the new property that you've just added appears on the first row, first column. You can add a photo to the listing from here. So the image will appear here, your MLS number, block number and parcel number is appear. Let us click again and see how to edit and add MLS number, since we have not added the MLS number. Go back to the edit. So you add and edit MLS number. Go back to the listing. For few properties, all the listings, in fact all the listings, the MLS number is changed after the listing is approved by broker and then Sariba admin. So the MLS number will be changed. You can find the property information, you can find original and current prices. Initially, whenever you upload for the first time, the status will be not active. You can see that broker status, Sariba status both are pending. You can see the days on market, and you can view history and add documents to the property for your property listing. So this is how you add a new listing to the property. This will appear here as well as on the dashboard for next 7 days. You can see this property here on the first row, first column. So this is how you add a new property in the MLS system.